Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some high-end bathroom home decor DIYs using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. For my first project, I'm using 5 of these Dollar Tree decor signs. Now they do carry these in brown, black, and white. I am using the brown ones. I will be adding the word relax, and I had these sticker letters, but I didn't have an A, so I will be making the A using this Dollar Tree vinyl. I'm going to simply cut out the A from the stickers and just place it on the vinyl and cut it. Now that I have the A, I will be placing a letter on each of these little decor signs. Now, so they can be nice and even, I did use a piece of wood, which I put at the bottom, and then I placed the letters. The letters are red because I am using these as like stencils, because I will be doing the reversible stencil. I am going to paint over them with some black paint. You can always use black vinyl instead and just have the letters black. Once everything's dry, I'm going to remove the stickers, and look how beautiful this looks. And look how beautiful this looks. Now to hang these, I am going to use a sawtooth hook, which I will be adding to each of the signs. But that is it. Look how beautiful this relaxed sign turned out. For my next project, I'm using 2 of these Dollar Tree little board signs. They have these little easels on the back, which I do end up removing them. So now I'm going to use a paint stick and I'm going to cut it to size. I do want to make 2 little sides and a bottom part to this. I will be gluing the sides using hot glue. I will not be adding a back to this. Instead, I'm going to use some popsicle sticks, which I am going to cut to size and glue it. I'm going to glue it to like almost at the top part, and this is actually going to work as the little hanger for these little planters. And this is how they look. Now I'm going to paint these using some black paint. Now using some greenery, I'm going to add some pigs in here and then hang these to the wall. But that is it. Look how beautiful these turned out. For my next project, I'm using one of these chunky wood slats. This is a 10-inch, which I am going to cut in half. I'm also using two of the 12-inch wood slats. Now I'm going to just glue these. You can use wood glue if you like to make this more sturdier. I just decided to use wood glue. For the bottom, I'm using this Dollar Tree wood piece, which I'm going to cut to size and then glue this to the bottom. I do want the bottom to be sturdy, so I'm using a combination of wood glue and hot glue. I let the glue dry for a couple of minutes and then I painted this using some black paint. So this is going to be a little tray. Now I'm going to use these Dollar Tree lidded plastic jars and I am going to add some Q-tips and toothpicks. Now the lid is silver, but I decided to paint mine black. This little tray is big enough to fit 3 of these jars, but instead I decided to only use 2. And on the other little empty space, I am going to add a planter. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.